Hi, how are you? My name is Gerald Gondo. I'm the Group Chief Investment Officer for ICA Line. We haven't been servicing you for a very short time. We've actually been servicing you for a very long time, 40 years, which is really a testament to three things. Number one, trust. You trust us with your funds, and we are investing your funds in a responsible manner. The second manner in which we want to celebrate is the resilience and the tenacity that we've shown throughout this period in terms of investing through market cycles and through different global market conditions. Through it all, trying to ensure that we maintain a risk-adjusted return for your savings. And then lastly, the relationship. We view this as a fiduciary relationship with you, whereas we manage your money as if it is our own. And on that basis, we want to ensure that the risks that we take are very clear and well managed to make sure that you achieve your savings objective. So let's talk about these savings objectives, and we'll depict them within a building block approach. So let's say you have just started your savings journey. Where do you want to start? In our view, the best place to start is our money market fund, which is your lowest risk investment product, which allows you to participate in safe, returning, short-dated investment instruments, generally backed by the government of Kenya. And you can achieve daily liquidity from these funds, but you're assuring yourself that you're saving as little as 500 shillings, and you can achieve your daily, weekly, monthly, and more longer-term savings goals. So there's no excuse. You can start immediately. Then you've got the baseline of your savings complete. Where else do you want to grow to? So you've catered for your short-term investment needs through the money market fund. Why not then introduce a slightly higher yielding but still secured form of investing through our income fund? Here you're getting exposure now to longer dated, generally investment grade government securities, where your investment horizon is now longer than 1 year, but generally between 1 year and 7 years. So you've got your income requirements as well as your capital secure through the money market fund and through the income fund. Are we still together? Great. Next product that we want to take you through is you have now got your income and your safety assured. Now you want to achieve capital growth. You want to accelerate your earnings over time, and generally that acceleration of earnings over time at a rate that is greater than inflation, because inflation is the big beast that we are all trying to beat to ensure that our savings grow and can maintain purchasing power. So we'll introduce you to our equity fund, the ICA Line Equity Fund, where you can now get exposure to the largest and listed companies in Kenya: Safaricom, East African Breweries, Kenya Commercial Bank, and the list goes on. But still without deroding the fact that you can still achieve liquidity when you require it. For capital growth to really impact your portfolio, we would advise a savings period of between 3 to 10 years exposure to the equity fund. So now we've got our three building blocks in place: our short-term savings through the money market fund, our medium-term capital and income savings through the income fund, and now we've got an ability to accelerate the growth of your savings through the ICA Line Equity Fund. So now our Kenya shilling savings base is well looked after. We now want to invest offshore, and the offshore vehicle to enable you to get diversified returns that are non-shilling based would come through our dollar income fund. And here you're getting exposure to all global markets outside of Kenya in US dollar terms. Minimum investment amount there being $500. So now you can ride out those times, which can come often, of shilling volatility and shilling devaluation, because you have now hedged that by investing in the ICA Line Income Fund, dollar fund. And then lastly, let's balance it all together. So you want a bit of growth and you also want a bit of income. You can achieve that through our balance fund, where essentially you want a exposure that is, let's call it 50% exposed to income growth and 50% exposed to equity growth. A lot to to appreciate and a lot to take in a very short period of time, which is why we'd invite you to come to our offices or contact any one of our advisors, where we can continue to talk about your savings journey and make sure that you are intentionally saving to achieve your ultimate long-term savings objectives. So please give us a call.